Umintri Kapuli Puthi Rakkam Sangma ulai thu baula dep butin na umintri rangba na kebentaban Pynpoi no egalinti rel shadu Baghmara na kebentaban Kyntu ya kayo kakot jangkathan. Hakajing ekren bikila pathai Khubor Rakkam ulai thu ru baula dep pan penken mau biang yu umintri rangba ukonrat ki Sangma na kebentaban penjerong ya kelinti rel na mendi pathar lingba kanang albibra leni lingba ketura ne na tikrikila dalu bat kiwe Baghmara. Rakkam Sangma udai WMLA Naronggara Siju constituency.
We have given a memorandum to Honorable Chief Minister requesting him to extend the connection of railway from Mendipata to Baghmara. Is via Nongalbibra or via Tura, Tura, Tikrikilla, Karupada, Dalu to Baghmara. It's up to the government proposal. So why we need in the look, if you look back at the pre-independence, right? In the pre-independence, so the India and East Pakistan was well connected. In literally not through rain, right? So look, we were flourishing in business before, but after the partition happened, that India and Bangladesh or Pakistan, so we cannot do business anymore. We have many natural resources, many agricultural products that we cannot sell our product. So look, if you talk about, if the situation arises in Bangladesh, our main market, especially for Meghalayans, would have been the Bangladesh, right? But in view of political situation at present, it's a different story. But if the situation is different, if it is normal, so Bangladesh would have been a good market for Northeast and for the Meghalayans. Therefore, in that connection, look, we cannot isolate the livelihood of our people is very important. The population are growing, and employment is growing very huge. And tomorrow we're gonna face the employment crisis. It is not the question of India or Meghalaya. It's a global challenge for every nation. So we should have open more opportunity, right? So the market is the things that we look for. So therefore, look, many young people want to engage in the business, be it in tourism, be it in agriculture, be it in transport, be it industry, in any industry. Look, this government jobs are very limited. But however, there's every action has an equal and opposite reaction. How much we have the more population, that much the employment opens more, right? Challenge open more, right? Therefore, how much earlier we don't have the hospital. There is no doctor. There is no disease also, except malaria and few are there. Today, we have many hospitals. Do all this hospital solve all the diseases? No, it is not. How much hospital came up? How much medical institutions came? How much doctor we have increased more? That much what we call the disease also has increased, which is beyond the understanding of many medical experts even today. Right? Suppose in Corona, it was a surprise for everybody. No philosopher, no scientist, no medical expert could solve it. Right? It's just physics theory. Newton's third law was always applied. Every action is equal and positive reaction. So therefore, as the world goes on, we need to, as a government, we need to find the ways how to make young people to engage in exploring finding the ways for livelihood. With that intention, we have requested our Honorable Chief Minister. So if this can be connected, if it is possible, so I think I don't know the update, but Honorable Chief Minister will definitely take up the matter with the government of India. So we have requested for that purpose. Yeah. India to the institutions, they will decide and they will let us know. This is the simple. We are at the consultation stage. Okay, it is nothing has been decided as of today. We are at the consultation stage. Therefore, this is why we are doing just to bring down the categories of the institutions in the industry. As simple as simple. Not yet as of now, but as and when the government has forwarded our application to the ministry, I think all things will happen very soon. If as and when our request and from our government has reached to the ministry. in Khubor. Definitely our Honorable Chief Minister also looks interest for our demand, because it will definitely tomorrow it will, for the benefit of people, it will benefit our people.
Hey paralok, snap, mayatu khana, shafang kecikim jonga, nadu kopor badangka, hadukat kini kisi gimamenta. Andang dunia ka eka bablei uai, ngan rikendong kan longka bajanai, kad bangadang ring mensiam hasla pertei, ngan yai pedang hok